Assalamu alaikum 10th class. Today we are doing chapter number 1, chapter number 10, page number 8 and 9. Students, in the previous lecture we have 2 or 3 examples from which we can define a topic wave. So students, from previous examples, that a wave is a disturbance in the particle of the medium. A wave is a disturbance in the medium which causes the particle of the medium which causes the particles of the medium to undergo vibratory motion about their mean position in equal intervals of time. So student, this is the definition of wave. Wave basically is a disturbance in the medium which causes particles of the medium to undergo vibratory motion about their mean position in equal intervals of time. You can understand this definition by the previous example of cork and example of pencil. Students, next we have the types of wave. There are 2 types of waves. Students, we have 2 types of waves, mechanical waves. First type is mechanical waves and electromagnetic waves. What is mechanical wave? Waves which require any medium for their propagation. Are called mechanical waves. The examples of mechanical waves are sound waves, because sound waves require material medium of air. Next we have water waves. In water waves we require material medium of water, and the waves produced by on the strings and springs. In the string we have the medium string, and in the spring we have the medium spring. So students, this is the examples of mechanical waves. Next we have electromagnetic waves. Waves which do not require any medium the waves which do not require any medium for their propagation are called electromagnetic waves. So students, this is the definition of electromagnetic waves. The examples of electromagnetic waves are X-rays, light waves, heat waves, radio waves, and television waves. So students, these are the examples of electromagnetic waves. Next we have 2 types of mechanical waves. Mechanical waves. Now we explain the types of mechanical waves. There are 2 types of mechanical waves. First type is longitudinal waves. There are two types of mechanical wave, students. By mistake I have write the wrong spelling. The correct spelling are longitudinal wave and transverse waves. Today we will discuss only about longitudinal waves. So students, longitudinal waves in longitudinal waves, the particles of the medium move back and forth along the direction of propagation of wave. So students, इन लॉन्गिट्यूडनल वेव द पार्टिकल्स ऑफ मीडियम मूव बैक एंड फोर्थ, यानी वेव्स की डायरेक्शन के आगे पीछे मूव करते हैं, तो इस मोशन को हम लॉन्गिट्यूडनल वेव कहते हैं. So students, longitudinal wave can be produced on a spring placed on a horizontal floor or a long bench whose one end is fixed and other hand hold in your hand and give a regular push. Students, give a regular push and then pull it. You can see that a series of disturbance produced from the source towards the fixed end. Students, in this case, in some areas the loops of spring are close together, and in some areas loops of spring are spaced apart. The area where the loops of the spring are close together are called compression, and the areas where the loops of the spring are spaced apart is called rarefaction. And this compression and rarefaction produce in a series and move along the direction of propagation of waves. So we have proved that in the longitudinal wave the particles of the medium move back and forth along the direction of propagation of waves. Students, here our diary is completed. Thank you.